Tatum Hall and I live in Kankakee. In senior year, I was doing welding at the Career Center and I just fell in love with it. My dad did it and I knew this welding is what I wanted to do. I chose KCC because it was close to home. They have a great program here and I'm almost in and out in under 2 years. It's really quick and easy and great people, great community.
If I would have joined the workforce in 2018, when I graduated high school, I wouldn't have been prepared at all. So what KCC does, they really prepare you a lot to think and behave and carry yourself as an intelligent individual in the field, whatever your field of study may be, whatever your career goals may be. They really help you and push you to advance yourself really as an individual. Coming here, I've really matured and advanced a lot between then and now. I think that I'm a lot more experienced now and a lot more capable than I was when I first stepped into the program.
Some things that I've learned in welding class is for TIG welding is travel speed, so the rate that you move your torch hand compared to your hand with a filler metal. Another thing that I've learned is patience, because at first you're not good at this, I don't think anyone is, and then you just have to keep going with it until you actually get in your rhythm and start just grooving welding out.
The growth and the potential in our industry, it's unbelievable. American Welding Society for the last 10 years at least, has been using the same number, 450,000. Almost 500,000 people are always needed in our industry. And with the people retiring, most of my friends are gray-haired, and it's exactly what our problem that we're having in our industry is filling those spots. My industry doesn't care where you're from, what your background is. As a welder, if you can perform certain tasks and pass certain qualification tests, you've met that benchmark and you can actually advance with your pay. You can perform these skills and these tasks, then you get the reward and that pay commensurate to your ability.
As the only woman in the class, I see no difference as in the other class. I get treated the same here. We all go through the same thing, do everything the same. I find everyone's very helpful and everything to everyone here.
We're actually having employers come from hundreds of miles away, literally, and looking for our graduates and for the people that are potential graduates. And unfortunately, some of my students don't walk across the stage because they do get hired out from underneath us and get pulled away for higher paying jobs, high paying jobs, and great career. I still look at that as a success, because we've placed them in an industry that they love and a job that they love to do.
I feel a lot more confident now than I did when I first stepped through these doors, that young, uneducated, basically kid, teenager, and now I feel like I can contend with the best of them. That's that mindset that KCC kind of creates, and it's good.